What is the difference between a Steam download vs an install? The main difference between a Steam download and an install is that a download is the process of transferring the game files from Steam servers to your computer, while an install is the process of copying those files to a specific location on your computer and making them ready to run. When you download a game on Steam, the game files are compressed into a single file. This file is then transferred to your computer over the internet. Once the file has been downloaded, Steam will automatically unzip it and copy the files to a specific location on your computer. Once the files have been copied, Steam will then install the game. This process involves creating a shortcut for the game on your desktop, adding the game to your Steam library, and registering the game with Steam. In short, a download is the process of getting the game files from Steam, while an install is the process of making those files ready to run. Below is a table that summarizes the differences between a Steam download and an install.